Have you ever looked at a beautiful wooden decorative piece and thought, I wish I could make something like that and actually earn money from it? Well, you absolutely can. In this video, we're breaking down how you can start your very own wood decorative pieces business, even if you're a complete beginner. You'll learn how to make your first handcrafted pieces, where to sell them, how to price them for profit, and how to turn a creative hobby into a sustainable income stream. So, if you're ready to carve your creativity into something meaningful and profitable, stay tuned, because this could be the start of your next big opportunity. Wood has a magic that never goes out of style. It's warm, timeless, and incredibly versatile. In today's world of mass-produced plastic and factory-made decor, people are craving authenticity. Items that feel real, handmade, and connected to nature. That's where you come in. By creating handcrafted wooden decorative pieces, you're not just making objects, you're creating art that brings calm and beauty into people's homes. From carved wall hangings and curved bowls to minimalist sculptures or candle holders, every piece tells a story. And the best part? You don't need an expensive workshop or professional tools to start. Many successful wood artisans begin with just a few hand tools, some reclaimed wood, and a spark of inspiration. Start small and simple. Choose a design that's both practical and beautiful, something that fits easily into any home decor. Curved or rounded designs are especially popular because they feel organic and elegant. Begin with softwoods like pine or cedar. They're easier to carve and finish. Use sandpaper to smooth every surface, and take your time shaping those natural curves. That's what gives your work personality. When finishing, experiment with oils, waxes, or stains to highlight the natural grain of the wood. The goal isn't perfection, it's character. Every tiny imperfection, every swirl in the wood grain, adds to the charm of handmade craftsmanship. Once your first few pieces are ready, photograph them beautifully. Use natural light, simple backgrounds, and close-up shots that highlight texture and detail. These images will be your first step into marketing your creations to the world. Now that you have your pieces, it's time to share them. There are so many ways to sell wooden decor today, both online and offline. Online platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon Handmade are perfect for beginners. They attract buyers who appreciate handmade art. You can also use Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, or even Pinterest to showcase your work and drive traffic to your shop. Offline, you can sell at local craft fairs, farmers markets, or even partner with small boutique stores that love featuring locally made products. Bring a few of your best pieces, share your story, and connect with customers face-to-face. People love meeting the maker behind the art. It builds trust and emotional connection. Let's talk about pricing, because one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is undervaluing their work. Remember, when someone buys your wooden decor, they're not just paying for materials. They're paying for your time, creativity, and craftsmanship. A simple pricing formula to start with is material cost plus hourly labor plus overhead plus profit margin. For example, if your material costs $10, your time is worth $20, and you want a $15 profit, price that piece around $45. You can always adjust as you grow. Also, consider offering limited edition collections or custom designs. Customers are often willing to pay more for exclusivity and personalization. Don't sell yourself short. Handmade means heart-made, and that's priceless. Marketing is where your creativity meets storytelling. Your brand isn't just about the products you make, it's about why you make them. Share behind-the-scenes videos of your process. Show the raw wood before transformation. Let viewers feel the emotion behind your craft. Use social media to post reels, time-lapses, and simple voiceovers explaining your inspiration. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, share customer photos, and tell stories about each piece. People remember stories more than products. You can also collaborate with interior designers or influencers who focus on eco-friendly living or home decor. Their audiences already appreciate handmade beauty, and that exposure can skyrocket your visibility. As your confidence and skill improve, explore different styles, from rustic farmhouse designs to sleek, modern shapes. Keep learning new finishing techniques, experiment with curves, and explore sustainable materials. Invest profits into better tools or a small workshop space, and always focus on quality over quantity. Word of mouth is powerful. When people love your work, they'll tell others. Building a business from your hands takes time, but every sale, every compliment, and every creation brings you closer to a life filled with creativity, freedom, and financial independence. Starting a wood decorative pieces business isn't just about profit. It's about passion. It's about transforming something simple and natural into something beautiful that others can treasure. You don't need to be an expert. You just need the courage to start. Every masterpiece begins with a single piece of wood and a willingness to learn. So, if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Start today. Pick up a piece of wood, sketch an idea, and create something that reflects you. If you found this video inspiring, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more guides on handmade crafts, business tips, and creative living. Your creativity has value. Your hands can build more than decor. They can build a future.